Hey, what's up guys, this is Pro Wolf Trader and you're watching live stream in London session. I'm 24 minutes late in the London session, but it's alright. We are in. What we have today, we have no high impact news today. Tomorrow we have NFP and this is pre-NFP stream. We are preparing to enter into Friday NFP, and whatever you do today will have an effect tomorrow. And as far as what's happening in the market, Donald Trump is tweeting. I said earlier on that Trump is gonna control the market with his actions, with his tongue, with his Twitter. So you have to pay attention. You have to follow him on X, Twitter. Anything he posts, directly or indirectly, will have an effect, even if it's a short term or a long term. You need to understand what's moving the market. Now the market is entirely dependent on how the new government, the new administration, it approaches. The macro and the microeconomics will change. Everything will revolve around Trump. He's the boss man. So you need to understand exactly what to do and when to do it. Yesterday we were on a sell on gold, and late New York session I took a small buy. But today is a new day and there's new opportunities. So forget about what you did yesterday. If you had any losses or if you made any profit, just forget about it and just focus on what's coming today. First of all, before I begin, please like and subscribe the channel and hit the subscription button. The notification bell. So you stay updated whenever I go live or post any update on any videos regarding MicroStrategy, gold weekly analysis or Bitcoin analysis. So let's dive in today's live stream session. Right now in front of us is a 5-minute chart. We are going to try to scalp gold. Now gold is you can say gold is in a really sideway range. Yeah, more of like if let's go on a higher time frame. This is a 1 hour time frame. Now clearly you can see an uptrend. Trying to go against this uptrend is a bad idea. Even if you are a bull, you will have second thoughts of entering a buy, because yes, this is an uptrend, right? And you would keep on thinking again and again, should I enter this buy? Should I enter this buy? And on a day when there's so less volume in the market, and this is slow momentum will initially take you into the New York session, where you will be asking yourself, okay, what should I do now? Right in front of us, this is practically let's dive into intraday. Right now on intraday it looks bullish, but tomorrow is NFP and it is expected to drop. It's expected that gold drop down. Yes, I'm seeing a ABC correction, but the question is when is gonna happen. It's not gonna happen till we actually get the news. So till then, keep on buying the dips. Yeah, that's the whole idea. We're gonna scalp the gold till it it's going up. So there's no need to sell it. I'm strictly on a buy. Yesterday I did a sell it. There will be opportunities. I'll keep you guys updated. So that's how it is. Bitcoin, yeah, let's talk about Bitcoin. Anybody there are lots of people who are like trading Bitcoin, who are trading MicroStrategy. They have a good news. If you followed my advice, you probably made tons of money. Remember the last time we were here, this was exactly like 10 days ago, when we took a buy over here, and exactly on the top I said that if it breaks above it's okay, but if you see a rejection, most possibly the volume, look for volume. And this sell momentum was really strong. It took around 7-8 days to reach above 100k, and it look less than 2 days to come back down. So now this zone is a buy zone, and it can also be a sell zone. Now there are two probable outcomes when we reach in this zone. First is it breaks down. Second is we see a rejection like previously, not just once, twice, but more than 5 times. We saw possible rejection. This was a pullback. So again, we are entering an area where it's critical area, critical zone, a critical pullback zone. Entering over here would reward you highly if you are on a buy. Same goes for sell. If you enter a sell, it can be really rewarding, because if it drops down, the next key area is going to drop down, is going to be till 85,000 range. And if you're somebody who's looking for scalps, even then selling would benefit you. Please hit the like button. If you're watching the stream, it's gonna help me reach my goal, my daily goal. Today's daily target is 20 likes. If there are 20 likes, I'm gonna extend the stream from 2 hours to we're gonna stream in the entire London and New York session. So please keep that in your mind, that liking the stream will motivate me to carry on with the stream. Okay, so let's not quickly jump into what we need to do on gold. But before that, I need you guys to interact. This is first the analysis. I'm doing an analysis on Bitcoin, by the way, because I don't get time to post videos. I will do it, but currently I'm giving an analysis. This is a key area. We have to see for a possible, whatever trade setup you're following, either you're using Bollinger Band, moving averages, Fibonacci, looking for divergence, your SMC, ICT, I don't know, use it to enter a sell or a buy. But most possibly I'm waiting for this area. If there's a rejection, I will enter a buy. If it keeps on dropping, then I might enter a sell. I have a sell, by the way, I have a sell limit sitting at 90,000, 91,000, just in case we see a big massive dump. Because yes, if we see everything is so polluted right now, because we have Donald Trump inauguration on 20th January, and right before that it was expected that the market was gonna climb up, the market is gonna progress above 100k and we're gonna reach all-time high. And right now it just keeps on dropping. MicroStrategy bought another 101 million worth of Bitcoin. Same goes for BlackRock. Everybody is buying. The only people who are suffering is the individuals who are retail sellers. They got liquidated. Retail buyers, they got liquidated. The sellers, they made money. Buyers, the money buyers made in 7 and 8 days, the same amount of money sellers made in 2 days. If you take this date and price action, you will most probably see that the price went up as high as 102k in 7 days, and it took, I think, less than 2 days for the price to drop down below this zone. We see right now exactly over here that it took, if you remove today's, like, forget about 9th January, just 7th and 8th January, right about till yesterday, before the New York close, we saw a huge drop. This drop was massive. Okay, there was huge volume, and it was a sell momentum, in short. When we saw a huge drop to 92 and a pullback, it was most possibly seen as a buy entry area. Even I had a buy limit order sitting over here. It came up, I took my profit, but it came down. It was expected to drop down. Now buyers are setting in. They have eyes on this zone, But again, yet again, if we see a break below this zone, we might enter into 85 range. So the next range exactly is around here. And now this is something that I have been looking forward to for quite some time. This is a buy area. I call it a buy area. Even if this zone 91,000 is a buy zone. Exactly, you can see the previously we saw rejection around this zone. It just went up. So keep that in mind. If this drops, it can quickly go up. So whatever you are doing, have a trade plan. When you have to sit down, make up your trade plan before actually sitting down to trade. You have to do everything, these are pre-checklists that you have to follow. Now if you understood this, let's move on to gold. Now gold, a lot of people, they don't understand the movement of gold. All I'm saying, I've been saying this for quite some time, that gold is just bullish. Good. The reason is that we are on a fifth impulse wave. The duration of fifth impulse wave is really long, and there is no news today, and this can basically technically throw the gold price up. Now if you are trying to find a logical reason, there is no logical reason. The only explanation that can be given is that when the market is all-time high, the market is an uptrend, in that uptrend there will always be moments that the market will do a 25 to 30% fall back. Okay, it's gonna fall down. But same goes right now, Fed is suddenly so hawkish. They're talking about pausing rate cuts, and there's gonna be a slower rate cut in this year. So where does that put the market? It puts the market in a place where we are uncomfortable with opening a buy and comfortable with opening a sell. So right now you want to open a sell and the market is moving up. So if you are thinking like a retail trader, you're gonna get trapped in. So that's where you need to understand that you have to follow with the volume. Let's come back. Okay, so this was the previous zone where I entered a sell. I'm utilizing the same area as sell, and I'm entering a sell over here right now. Exactly over here. Again, this is an educational stream. I'm not responsible for your financial loss. Manage your own trade. I don't know what equity you have, how much lot size you are taking, but manage your own trades. Yes, this is a small scalp. I expect it to drop down to 2660 or 56. That's where I'm going to enter a buy. But till then, I'm going to sell this. Okay, we can see a possible. I see some volume over here in Bitcoin, but I don't know if this volume is worth it or not. The buy volume is entering in right now, but I won't fall for it. You have to be really careful. Okay, so it's dropping gently. Just stick with the plan. Just stick with the plan. Just stick with the plan. Follow the plan and everything's gonna be fine. Make one mistake and you're done. Okay, we are seeing some juice in Bitcoin. Seems like the market is pumping. The gold is dropping, by the way. Remember to take your profits around this zone. I entered a sell over here. My take profit will be till 55, but if I see a rejection, I will. My stop loss is 72 over here. So if you took this signal, good. If you didn't, it's your loss, not mine. Manage your own risk. Don't take any Ferrari or Lamborghini trades, okay? No heavy shit. Manage your risk. If you can manage your risk, you can manage anything. Let's stick with the plan. Draw Fibonacci around it. Let me update the Fibonacci. This was the Fibonacci, okay? Although I should be drawing the Fibonacci the other way around, but it's alright. It should be marked on recent high. But since there is no recent high, I'm gonna extend this Fibonacci from left to right. So we can see if it has potential. The reason I'm taking a profit over here is that this is the golden area. As soon as it touches it, it's gonna start climbing up because I'm following the Elliott wave pattern. According to Elliott wave, this thing will go up, but eventually it's gonna make higher high, higher low, higher high, and then it will go up. So I'm utilizing that to sell and then buy. Now I've said it several times that if you buy only. If you sell only. You don't buy and sell at the same time. But I am doing that because I am feeling like I'm lucky today. Yesterday I did this too, but I got burned out or one or two trades. But if it's all right, keep in mind that these trades are scalp trades, okay? So don't open them more than 15 minutes. Just take your profits and walk away. अगर किसी की कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा तो मुझे उससे वो सवाल कर सकता है. इफ़ यू हैव एनीथिंग, एनी प्रॉब्लम, यू कैन आस्क मी क्वेश्चंस. अगर आप बिटकॉइन की तरफ देखें तो बिटकॉइन पॉसिबली रिजेक्शन शो कर रहा है. इफ़ यू लुक एट बिटकॉइन इज शोइंग अ पॉसिबल रिजेक्शन. Bitcoin if the new 4 hourly candle is showing a possible rejection. नई 4 hourly candle rejection शो कर रही है, but I can't say anything. मैं कुछ कह नहीं सकता. You have to wait for further confirmation. हमें further confirmation के लिए wait करना होगा. Most likely we gonna look for hidden divergence, hidden bullish or normal bullish divergence. हम लोग hidden या normal bullish divergence देख रहे हैं. After getting it, after confirming it, and after seeing that there is enough volume that the price moves back up again, जब हम देख लेंगे कि वहाँ यहाँ इस रेंज पे बहुत ज़्यादा अनफ वॉल्यूम है और हमारे पास डाइवर्जेंस भी है और दूसरा ट्रेड सेटअप है, वी विल एंटर बाय, हमारे बाय में एंटर हो जाएंगे. इफ़ यू डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू and if you need any help and you want some signals, then you are on job and you cannot do all this stuff, you can take the premium signal subscription membership. All the packages details are on the Telegram. Okay, anyways, let's carry on with where I left. We are short term scalping on Bitcoin, on gold. On Bitcoin we are looking for a possible buy area, but I think we have to wait till New York open to see a push. Mostly न्यूयॉर्क ओपन पे हमें पुश नज़र आता है. बिफोर दैट देयर इज़ नॉट एनफ जूस इन द मार्केट टू थ्रो द प्राइसेस बैक अप. Gold is dropping. Let's stick with gold scalps as for now. Bitcoin is gonna take some time, but till then we'll have enough supply from gold. Okay, so looking at gold right now, I can clearly say that gold made a small pullback, but I had some take profits around this area. My TP1 was around 60, 62. It hit TP1 and 2. They both hit 62 and 60. So yeah, pretty much concentrating on this area. Right now, the only thing that you need to do is just a scalp. Okay, be careful. As I said again, that this is a strong buy area. So looking at this area, all I can say is that market is not moving much. Yeah, because today there is no high impact news. If you look carefully, we have around we got Chinese CPI and PPI, and the inflation was quite affecting over there. The yuan is weak. Apart from that, in UK, because of the current inflation rate over there, things are not quite looking good. Besides that, yes, yesterday the US treasuries, it climbed, and it interrupted the upward sell-off that started on Monday, and sparked by concerns about the inflation is quite sticky and the situation can get worse. Why? Because Donald Trump basically suddenly he said yesterday that there's going to be an emergency fiscal stimulus, and that's quite disturbing. What I see after a really long time is lots of volume and lots of volatility in the market. Suddenly, for example, take a look at Bitcoin and take a look at gold. Gold was not dropping, gold was just going up, and now you see a drop and then a rise suddenly. So yeah, that's how it is today. And off to the drop again. Basically, looking at the market, anything you touch right now has the potential to make profits given that you follow the trade plan. For example, right in this case on Euro USD, the Euro USD has been providing back-to-back profits for a really long time. So yeah, pretty much. By the way, I don't know what's happening on. Yeah, I need to see Euro USD and Euro JPY. This is really interesting. Euro JPY is really interesting. This was a premium signal. If you just look at what happened over here, this was recent. Let me just complete this up. If you mark it up, let's just say you mark it up like this. Lock it. Enter. Put something. It's dropping actually. This is a really nice sell area. My trade, I give this on what do you say, premium signal. It's running actually. It's been running since Monday. This trade has been running since Monday. Earlier on, we took the profit again. Tuesday, yeah, somewhere around here. But this zone is a really nice area. This entry area actually would be if anybody is looking for a sell on Euro JPY, he has to wait because tomorrow it has potential. It will drop, but before that it will at least make a retracement around this zone, this area, because you also have to consider in a previous all-time high and all-time low. Let's go back to gold. Gold is dropping down, minor retracement. TP1 and 2 was already hit. I took another sell around this area. First TP was 62, second TP was 60. It's close enough, but I took it because there's always that 1% chance out of 100 that it goes the other way. 99% of the time when it's dropping, it just drops in a one-way momentum. But given that, you can make some nice profits. But I would say, if you're somebody who wants to make profits without any risk of loss, I would say just wait for this drop till around this zone 55-60 and possibly buy. Now you might be wondering, like, this is the shittiest advice anybody can give because gold will drop. So that's why I'm saying that you need to do what the opposite of what everybody else is doing. Market is not gonna behave the way you expect. You think like a retailer, you get stopped out like a retailer. And follow Elite Wave, follow Fibonacci. Everything is screaming, yeah, I know Fed is going for slower rate cuts, but at the same time inflation is rising too. Unless and they do something about inflation, gold is gonna keep on moving up. Plus we have to talk about dollar index. My stream is gonna be a lot more interesting. It's gonna be lots of. Look at this. We are right now entering into Donald Trump. This was Donald Trump era, and this is right around November when he won the elections, and we are entering that same phase. Dollar index is gonna be around 20. And if you are somebody who loves to trade Euro USD, you will be making some big profits. All I have to say is that you need to like and subscribe the channel first, so you stay updated whenever I come live or post any videos. Your like helps the channel to grow. The more the wolf packs grows, the more nice content I will be posting. Yes, I want to extend the stream from 2 hours London, 2 hours New York to around 8 to 10 hours daily. But I won't be streaming the entire time. I'll be streaming in between. I'll be handing over the stream to my students who are with me. Okay, so Trump blames new sum for fines. There are lots of stuff. New sums for fire in LA. Yeah, by the way, there's a fire in LA. And it's all around the neighborhood. It looks like something out of Predator 2. If you're watching this stream, if you're from UAE, if you're from India, if you're from Pakistan, if you're from UK, Europe, if you're from United States, US, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, stay updated with all the live streams and videos I'm going to be uploading. I will carry on with 2 hours of stream and then I will move on. I know a lot of people, they are working, so they can't watch, but they will watch it later on. They will watch the entire stream later on. So all I have to say is that take it easy. Take your profits and run away. No swing stuff, not around here. Not now. This is the first one, not now. Just scalp. Just scalp. And keep scalping. If you can't run, walk. If you can walk, crawl. If you can crawl, I don't know, do anything. But just keep on moving. Move that body. Gonna move that body. A lot of people, they don't like to trade on days where there is no high impact news. They need to understand that's exactly the time they should be trading. Now tomorrow is NFP. Everybody is expecting gold to drop. But the question is, will gold suddenly start dropping when the NFT data is gonna release? Right before the time, there is a time before that, like we get the data. That is the duration from yesterday New York to the New York session of the actual day we're gonna receive the NFP. So that New York to New York session time frame is the most crucial and important time frame. Around that time frame, you will see that the previous day, like one day before the NFP, the New York session is gonna just keep on pumping on gold, and it will reach to previous all-time high or God knows what. And if it does that you know what's coming. Once the NFP releases, is gonna drop down. But in Biden era, it just kept pushing up, but now we're gonna see the other way around, and it can also be the same way. We might see gold suddenly start dropping, and then as soon as we receive NFP numbers, it just gold pushes up, and then after like half an hour and an hour or so, just start continue carry on with the drop because of hawkish Fed. But again, I'm saying this is my trade plan. Yes, this is my trade plan for tomorrow. What I see right now, what you see right now, and what I see right now is a 1 hour time frame. In this 1 hour time frame, I expect gold to carry on with this upward momentum. And then as soon as we get the NFP, it just drops down. After a sudden pump, of course, it drops down. So in short, I expect gold to keep moving up, and right about the time we get the NFP, it drops down, then it goes up, then it goes down again. So for this scenario, for number one scenario is a pump and a dump. Second scenario, a dump, pump and dump. And the third scenario, a straight dump. And that's what you need to put in the back of your head if you want to trade tomorrow and survive the market. Now look at this. Again TP1 hit 662. It's a small, not just a big profit, but it's a profit. Profit is a profit. Okay, so here we are. Oh, I was talking the entire time. Damn. I was talking the entire time. The mic was turned off. Damn it. It's alright. It's alright. I think tomorrow we might see something. But as for now, I don't know. I don't have the appetite to buy now. I will wait. Patience is the way of profits. Oh, you need a lot of patience. Look at this. Can't even make a divergence out of this zone. I mean, I need this candle to go above 95 to most possibly give me a, what do you call, a divergence, a normal bullish divergence. But that shit is crazy. You buy when nobody wants to buy and you sell when nobody wants to sell. That's the whole idea. Now just the question is where the volume is sitting. You find the volume and you will find your big bag of money. That big bag of money. Hey, what's up, man? Late for the stream. I'm in a nice struggling scalp. It's gonna go down, but it's nice. A lot of people have a lot of questions today. And my question is, does it bend? This was a premium signal. We took a re-entry over here around this area. This is the first area where we will see a possible. Yeah, man. This is an interesting. Around here. Same area, same setup, but earlier off. I think some of the people carried on their trades. I took an entry over here. It depends upon people to people. Yeah. Net gas, natural gas. Okay. Natural gas is running smoothly. I'm just waiting for it to push up. Yeah, it's a beautiful sideway. Beautiful sideway marker. It's gonna keep on moving up. This is a resistance turned support area. And we have a sideway range on Japan 225. If this thing drops, yen is strong. And the more it's Japan 225 drops, the yen rallies. And I see a yen rally. I will give lots of signals on premium groups in near coming future. Okay, I'm seeing some volume, but I won't say anything until I get the signal. Still no bullish volume. This is just some small knockoff. I don't know where everybody is. But I hope everybody's making profits. By the way, I have to teach. What's the time? Yeah, I'll work. I'll let the stream run and I'll work. Don't worry. Bitcoin looks like it's making a move, but I don't know. On a smaller scale, this is MicroStrategy. Bitcoin is gonna drop down. I mean, you have to look at 1 minute time frame to understand what's happening on Bitcoin. I see a drop now. Selling on Bitcoin is easy in this kind of a market. I expect it to drop down further on. Because there is not enough buy momentum. Scalping Bitcoin is more profitable than scalping gold. But the drop is over. This huge drop is finally finished. Now the question is, when will the buyers enter, today or tomorrow? I think they still have plenty of time. The market will liquidate buyers, is liquidating buyers since 2 days. So the buyers are only going to enter their critical key psychology area, and the key psychology area is around 9 between 91 to 92,000.